The Toyota RAV4 is the best-selling non-pickup truck in the United States, and a new generation is expected to be announced by the end of this year and available next year. Despite the anticipation, there has been little information about it. Previous discussions have suggested it will be fully hybrid or plug-in hybrid, but details about the powertrains were unclear. Recent information from Best Car magazine in Japan provides insights about the RAV4's sibling, the Venza, known as the Harrier in Japan. The Harrier's updates could indicate what to expect for the RAV4. Although the Harrier SL Venza won't be available in the US, the RAV4's popularity and Toyota's strategy to diversify models, like making various versions of the Corolla, could mean similar updates for the RAV4. The Harrier features new powertrains, including a 1.5-liter and a 2.0-liter engine, both hybrids. The 1.5-liter engine has naturally aspirated and turbo hybrid variations, while the 2.0-liter engine is currently only turbo. These engines are designed for better thermal efficiency and compliance with Euro 7 emissions regulations. A new plug-in hybrid Harrier with a 1.5-liter turbo engine is expected by 2026, and similar powertrains may be introduced to the RAV4. The new engines, particularly the 1.5-liter, will cover a wide range of vehicle segments from B, small cars like the Yaris, to D, larger vehicles like the Highlander. This new engine strategy aims to reduce costs and improve emissions by focusing on fewer, more advanced powertrains. These engines will also support biofuels and synthetic fuels, aligning with future sustainability goals. Toyota plans to implement these new powertrains flexibly, even potentially in US production plants. The transition from current engines to these new models might be gradual, similar to how the Highlander transitioned from a V6 to a turbo 4-cylinder engine. For the RAV4, initial models might continue with the current 2.5-liter engine before switching to the new 1.5-liter turbo engines. The 1.5-liter turbo hybrid is expected to replace the 2.5-liter engines in many Toyota models, providing similar or better performance with improved efficiency. Plug-in hybrid versions of these engines will offer increased electric range and power, with the potential for significant performance improvements across various models. Overall, Toyota's new engine strategy is designed to enhance performance, efficiency, and sustainability across its vehicle lineup, with significant implications for popular models like the RAV4.